Let it be one of the finest performances of yours. Inverted commas. Wonderful hook. Then when you tell the story, use the magic of pauses, little bit leaning body language, little bit hand movements, right? Remember, less is more. बहुत ज्यादा कंटेंट की जरूरत नहीं है, but it should be impactful. Okay.
In the heart of people, there was fear of unknown, fear of outsiders, and the fear of devil. Yes, you all heard me right. I'm talking about the devil. I want to ask you all, do you really believe in black magic? Is it true or it's just a myth? No one knows. Hello everyone, my name is Deepanita and today I want to share a quick story of one of the craziest time of American history of mass hysteria, the Salem witch trials. It all began in 1692 in the small city of Massachusetts, which is in USA. It started when the group of girls began having strange fits, and then their parents and relatives started accusing others for practicing witchcraft. Now, you must be thinking what witchcraft is. Witchcraft is nothing but it is the practice of black magic. What happens next? Fear moved through the town like a wave, and things got even worse. The court accepted something called spectral evidence. Now, you must be thinking, what is spectral evidence? Spectral evidence means the evidence is based on the dreams and visions. This meant that people could accuse others based on their doubts and wrong beliefs of having invisible spirits. And this caused the real panic and mass hysteria, which meant the uncontrollable emotion in the entire town. Hundreds of people were accused. Even everyone has got the right to accuse anyone. Many were arrested. Lots and lots of people were mentally and physically hurt. And sadly, 20 people were executed. It was believed that 19 of them were witches and one was a warlock. There was no solid evidence. It was just growing panic and distrust in the community. As the trial went on, some people started even questioning, and by the end of 1693, the trials finally ended. Now, hear this what court had to say. Court later admitted that they were all wrong. Most of the people who were accused, they were all innocent. But they were convicted because of the fear and superstition. The damage was already done, lives were destroyed. Just on the basis of disbeliefs, and Salem witch trial was a complete failure of legal system. Why? Because it was not driven by evidences, because it was driven by superstition and the social pressure. Today, I, Deepanita Singh, I would like to conclude this Salem witch trials as it was not about warlocks or witches. It was about what happens when fear goes unchecked. The Salem witch trial was a powerful message which makes us understand how quickly fear can override the justice. It reminds us how fear without a reason can destroy lives and even the entire community. And yes, it also teaches us the importance of the critical thinking about justice, especially when emotions run high. Thank you.
Deepanita, it was one of the world class performances by बहुत 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 अच्छी, fabulous.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm happy that you took the first chance and starting with such a performance, like it is. Very good hook you started with. You played with pauses. That is a very positive feedback. Very good structured content you had. I was trying to find flaw. मुझे तो कहीं कुछ मिला ही नहीं. Structured content था और बहुत graceful लग रही थी आप लोग के टाइम, right? You remembered the data and dates fabulously. This is also very important. Statistical data was on her toe, on her tips, and wonderful presentation. So you spoke for 3 minutes, 33 seconds, and you have got 10 on 10.
Thank you, sir.
Great.
And I have given you +1 also for this excellent and fabulous performance. So she has got 10, she's got 11 out of 10. Fabulous.
ये थोड़ा सा
Wait, every 1 mark count. मतलब it was really इतने सारे batches लेने के बाद what I found this was one of the finest performances ever. And I think अच्छी चीजों का दिल खोल के appreciation होना चाहिए.